Welcome back to the channel. So I just got a notification on my phone that I've got a delivery from Canada Post, so we're just gonna head over to the post office box there and pick it up. Gonna be exciting. I think it's from a Kickstarter program, so I can't wait to show you guys what it is. Let's head on over and pick it up. Got something. Time to unbox it and see what it is.
2 hours later.
So I'm super excited to finally get to share what's inside here with you guys on the channel. A few months ago, a Canadian Kickstarter company reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to test out a new product that they have. I absolutely love it when brands reach out to me. But it's even better when they're Canadian, when they have a Kickstarter program for a unique new product. So let's get into today's unboxing. So, not a very big package here. I really need to get a knife. If anybody has any good unboxing knife recommendations, definitely leave them in the comments below for me and I'll see what I can get. Alrighty. So, let's see what they sent. So we have got the Domio Ripper, which is absolutely perfect because in a couple weeks I'm heading down to Lake Placid, New York to Whiteface for a ski trip. So that's going to be a perfect spot to test this guy out. So super happy about getting this. So let's have a look at the product itself. Okay, so it comes with 2 mounts. It slides open like that. Wow. Got a sticker, that's always important. We can add that to the helmet. Got your quick setup guide here. A warranty. Then we have the product itself. Wow, it's nice and light, like hardly weighs anything at all. And then affix and wait 30 minutes before inserting Domio. Warning, do not apply if helmet is cold. So this pretty much goes for any type of 3M tape. I know a lot of guys that get to the hill, they're like, oh, I forgot to put on my GoPro mount. They stick it to their helmet the day of and the thing falls off. This stuff really needs some time to cure, so if you're gonna use the 3M, make sure you give it the half hour that it suggests at least. So you have 2 of these, so that's awesome if you want to share your Domio, or if you've got 2 different helmets, maybe you've got one for motocross in the summer, another one for snowboarding in the winter. And then you've got a USB micro cable, it says on the box here. So there we go, that box for that cable. And it looks like that's it. There's nothing else inside here, so really nice packaging. Great job on that. You've kind of got the matte black with the gloss here. Super nice. Product wise, this is really light. It's not going to like hang off your helmet or anything and be heavy. Like it hardly weighs anything at all. So I actually have my helmet here. So here we go. Oh, don't need goggles. So this is my snowboarding helmet, and inside the helmet there's actually audio in here in these little cups, and it's alright, but it's not that great. On the top of my helmet I have my camera mount, and I actually don't hear that well out of my right ear. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm going to mount the Domio over here on the right side. So I'm just kind of going to have a look here and find a spot over here, and that's where I'm going to mount it. So let's do that. I kind of have some laminate tape over my stickers on the helmet. I'm a little worried about attaching it to the laminate tape, but it hasn't come off forever, so hopefully it won't with Domio. So you want to find a spot that's not too curved. I think that's going to be right here. I'm sorry, Vans, but you're going to lose your brand advertising on my helmet here. Yeah, I want it on this side. Maybe over the north face. A little bit of Vans, a little bit of north face. Okay. Wait 30 minutes. Okay, I read that already. Peel off our 3M. Whoa. Okay, so definitely don't want to lose this because these guys aren't cheap. Just want to make sure that's stuck. Okay, so we have the mount on now. We're gonna wait the 30 suggested minutes and I'll come back and let you guys know what I think, especially versus the internal headphones. Okay, now we wait.
1 hour later.
Okay, so we've waited the allotted time for the 3M adhesive on the side of the helmet here to cure. And we're not going outside in the cold or anything like that. We're just gonna test it out, see what it sounds like. We've got the Domio charging here. It's not fully charged, but I think we've got enough charge in it that we can at least test it out and see what it sounds like. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is power on your Domio. So probably have to hold the power button. Okay, so your Domio is powered on there. And the next thing you want to do, you want to head into your phone, and go into your Bluetooth, and search. And as you can see, there is the Domio Ripper. So we're going to click on that. That's it here. Pair, click OK. And we are connected. Alright, so now that we're connected, we're going to get some music. See how well it sounds. Okay, disconnect that from there. Slide it in to our helmet. Whoop, hear that click? Okay, so now it's in there good. Alright, let's throw it on and see what it sounds like. Okay, so I'm gonna head to the favorite spot that I like to get my music, and that is Epidemic Sound. We'll play something from Epidemic. Alright, well, it's already on Extreme Sports, that's interesting. I think I know this one. Yeah, there we go. Now we're not gonna get any copyright strikes. Okay, that is insane. Holy! Oh my god. There's like a bass line in this. Guys, this is awesome. Great job, dudes. You did a good job with this. I can't wait to test this out down in Lake Placid. The bass line! I can't, like, you've gotta, guys, it's incredible. It's like you're sitting in a car with a good audio system, and you can feel that bass under the seat. It's nice and tight. Like, that's what this is. It's full blast right now. And that bass is not distorted whatsoever. Hopefully you can hear me over the helmet audio, but that's the one thing. I mean, definitely they're not closed cell. Everybody around you is going to hear. But the fact that it's not a closed cell audio system doesn't matter because you're going to be out in the open, like doing snowboarding or motocross or whatever you've got a helmet on for. So that doesn't matter whatsoever. What matters is getting freaking incredible sound. I'm going to try another track here. I can't believe the bass. I cannot believe the bass response. Oh, incredible. Here, let's see what's on staff picks from Epidemic. Holy, the bass. Oh! Oh, I didn't even have it turned all the way up. Woo! That hurts. Too loud. Like, incredible. The volume on this, wicked. I seriously can't handle a full blast. Oh. So this is wicked. I didn't read this before I stuck this in, but should have because they gave you a nice little card here with the setup. So what it says is if you mount it on the side of your helmet, that's best for balance, mids, and highs. If you put it on the top of your helmet, you're going to get more highs and a little bit more moderate bass. And if you put it on the back of your helmet, you're going to get rich sound and deep bass. So now that I know that, and I have a second little clip here, I might actually put it on the back of my helmet here. But I can't put it under the snowboard strap, so I don't know, we'll see. Okay, but what I really want to know is... Yes! Okay! I couldn't find that anywhere on the website, but if you hold down on the plus or the minus, your volume buttons, if you just hold them, with Spotify, it 100% skips. So the plus skips forward. I'm going to try the minus. It skips backwards. Oh, wicked. So that's super amazing because when you're out on the hill, not only can you skip the tracks, but you can control the volume. So great product. Thank you so much to the guys at Domio Sports for sending me this. So I'm definitely going to let you know how this performs when I get out on the mountain a few weeks from now. So make sure you head down below, smash that subscribe button so you're notified when I upload that video. And if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. Until next time, take it easy out there.